It's okay.
Hindi ko na video. I'm so sorry.
Why are you doing more videos?
Tatay Mari.
Oh! Shit, ang ganda.
I give it 11 out of 10. Make a big bite.
Mag-aaway pa kami kung saan talaga yung tamang pupuntahan. Hey guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa may reception office para mag-check out. Nabitin yung booking na ginawa namin para sa accommodation. Ang ganda. It's my fit. There's people around, so medyo nakakahiya pala. Nahiya sila dumaan dahil may nagbi-video. Pero, shit, ang ganda. Ang ganda ko. What the heck? What's your name?
Mariana de los Santos.
What are we doing right now?
And so we're gonna go somewhere to get some alubog. So we're gonna get swimsuit. Also, we're gonna get salubong in swimsuit. Let's go. Come on. Why are you doing more videos?
This is for my YouTube. Taname.
Tatay Mari.
We're here na sa Bungalow 30. Pinayaga kami mag-early check-in. So, papalawig lang kami and then we're booking na ng Grab. Kasi nalagpasan na kami ng shuttle. Supposedly, dapat 10:15 yun. So, mag-grab na lang kami papuntang Tanamera. And then, doon na kami mag-train papuntang Orchard. Let's go! We're now here sa Tanamera Station. Today, I will be testing my Maribank debit card instead of my GoCard para ay malaman ko kung usable ba sila parehas and mas malaki ba yung charge. Oh! Accepted! We are here. We're going to, I don't know. Let's go! We're now here in... Oh, I actually don't know which... I forgot kung anong bakery to. Ting breakfast or brunch. So I got the Baroness Ritzy. Marsh. Frosted cinnamon roll. And I have it. Microwave. First time kong mag-tea ng ganito. Usually, ang in-order ko kasi sa Starbucks is black tea with lemonade. So, that's the first time na magtsatsaa lang talaga ako. So, I hope this is worth it. So now, let's eat the cinnamon. Can I get a bite? Can I try?
It's so marshmallowy. Is it good?
Hold it proper.
Ma, no, we can have it.
Teka lang man.
Get me water.
Do you like your brownie? Wait, don't you have the mic?
And why is it so good? I give it 11 out of 10.
What?
I give it 11 out of 10.
I can't understand.
11 out of 10.
I love it all the time. here sa Orchard Shopping Center inside Uniqlo. Dahil bukod sa malamig, you wanna check out. Uy, ang cute! Tchan! It's $99. Bro. Ah, it's 59 only pala. Dito na kami ngayon sa Brandy Merville and time check is currently 12:54 p.m. So kakatapos lang din namin kumain kanina. Dito na kami dumiretso. So grabe, ang sobrang chic ng mga damitan dito. Pero mahal. So guys, prepare your budgets guys. Chinatown. You like it? Can I taste?
I'll take a big bite.
Hurry up. Saan ka daw? Hanap ka ni... Sino ba naghahanap? Tita Joy. Nanap daw kay Tita Joy.
Let's go, girls. Drew, let's go. Go na ka. Hindi ko alam saan, kailan, paano ba, hindi mo sa lahat.
Sobrang daming shops dito for souvenirs. Hindi mo na alam pa saan ka bibili eh. Kakatapos lang namin mamili na $39 para sa pasalubong na puro keychain and ref magnets and okay lang yan dahil gusto mo bigyan ng lahat, gumastos ka, okay lang yan, babalik ang pera, huwag kayo mag-alala. Papunta na kami dun sa may parang malaking temple daw where we will get the entire sheet from the visitor, ano ba?
Visitor pa.
Visitor center. Tapos mag-iikot kami para sa mga stamps. Kahit dito talaga nagkakram kami. Kung kailan last day, tsaka namin tinatry i-explore lahat. Dahil, pero okay lang. Diba? Thank you. Thank you, universe. sa ganitong klaseng cramming at stress. Oof! The smell. It's hot? Uy, Starbucks! Go! Pit na katawan ko. There you go.
Thank you. So this is your first stop lah. So you can just stand here.
Whoa! I can stand. I
Okay.
can stop. Hang on. First stamp is just like this.
Yeah. You have a booklet that you want to stand as well?
Huh?
You have a booklet that you want to stand as well?
I don't have, but
Okay.
this the
Yeah,
only one.
this is yours.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yun na. Tanggalin mo.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. First stop for the Chinatown Stamp Rally Starbucks. Magiging mainit yung pag-ikot natin, so we'll get a drink.
Hindi ko na video. I'm so sorry.
Can't trust her with the camera like this. Ah. Another stamp. Here we go. Hi, we're here for the stamps. Thank you. Three stamps done, guys. Guys, ang init. Mali din yung diskarte namin. So, basta na kami pumunta kung saan yung natatandaan namin. So, ngayon, pagsusunod-sunurin namin base sa mapa na nandun sa booklet. Mag-aaway pa kami kung saan talaga yung tamang pupuntahan. Dito lang kami sa SB. Papahinga lang kami saglit. My God. Ang init ba naman ng kape mo kasi? Done, quick break. Let's continue the Chinatown Stamp Rally. Let's go! Actually, dito sa SB kami naka-break ngayon. And katabi lang ng SB yung dalawa pang stamp stores. I think Grandpa Dorian tsaka Elegance of Nanyang. And then, I think dito sa katapat ng SB na to yung sa roasted chestnut. Pero hindi ko alam kung ito bang nasa tapat ko or itong sa loob. I don't fucking know, bro. Another stamp.
I'm so freaking tired. I hate this challenge. Dapat din na talaga natin ito ginagawa kasi galit tayo sa bansang China, guys. So, I don't know why we're even doing this. Ay! Bukod sa inagawa nila tayo ng teritoryo at nagpapaka ano sila dyan. Kagaya ng US, ang China ay imperialist ng bansa rin. So, why are we even doing this, y'all? Ginawa ko lang to kasi wala akong magagawa sa birthday ko. At okay lang, papapayat din. Naglakad-lakad din kahit papano. But like, I'm so fucking tired. Anyways, sana ilagay niya to para konting trivia lang. Let's stay grounded. Love your country.
Here is Hongkong.
Oh, it's okay.
Nagtagpo pa kami. Last na rin sila na stop. Last stop na. Sakit na pa ako. Fine na fucking yay.
Singapore.
Feeling Singapore.
Video ako
11 out